students. In this class we are discussing one of the important lesson in political science, that is the problems of India and their solutions. In this chapter we are discussing after the independence India faced so much of problems because of we got independence in 1847. Till that much time India is ruled under the control of British. They dominated. Not only this one, after independence our country divided as a two part. One is India and another one is Pakistan. On that time, when they given freedom, British when they given freedom, we have faced so much of problems. Some of administrative problems, some of social problems or economic problems, because of we are poor country on that time. So when we got independence we faced so much of problems. So government also they took some of the remedial measurements. In that based in this class we are discussing about what are the problems we have faced after the independence and how government they solve the problems or solutions of that particular problems. And we are discussing how any problems came, how we also can solve that problems. These are the matters we are discussing in this lesson. Okay, now we want to know, I already said after 1947 we faced some of the problems. How these are the problems created? Some of the problems man-made, means we only created the problems. Some of the problems they came based on the national emergency. After the independence, India they faced some of the emergency period. In 1971, India faced drought. So on that time also we created some of the problems. For example, unemployment, poverty, hunger. Some of the problems man-made. We only created the problems. Example, corruptions. Corporate strategy. These are the problems we only created. Our contribution. So is there any solutions for these are the problems? Yes. Government they implemented different types of government in our country to solve these are the problems. For example, central level central government, state level state government, and local level locals government. We can see local level in, you already studied that one, three types of government. One is Jilla Panchayati, second one Taluk Panchayati, third one is Gram Panchayati. So in that based on the government, and they provided powers to local peoples to solve these are the problems. And some other solutions also we can see about solve these are the problems. Okay, one is good administration. This is one of the important point. If any one country, in that country facing any one problems, one of the major solution, good administration. If government is moving effectively, people also, they are also contributing to government the proper way. So this is one of the important point. Second one, they given social reformation. Second one, solutions. If any problems created or they started in any one society or any country, second one important point is social reformation. This is also one of the important solutions. So in that based, there are so much of people they came, and what are the problems we are facing in our religious matters or in our society, in our lifestyle. If any bad practice, if we have followed or we are adopted means, So some of the people, they came and they give an awareness about which one is good, which one is wrong. So this was one of the important method. Okay, next one, they are given fast and efficient judiciary. If any one country, the country wants to solve problems, if they are facing any administrative problems, so one of the important solution or remedies in that particular point for any problems, for they are saying fast and efficient judiciary. If any one society, that society want to become as a developed, in that society, or in that society, in what was the system, seeing the judiciary system, in that judiciary system always work as a effectively or the way of fast. So now also we can see in our government, in our judicial system, not that much of fast. If any one case, if you filed in court, already knowing some of them, they have experience also, minimum 15 to 20 years we need. So here they given another point. If you problems we want to solve in our society, in our country, our judicial system also become as a effectively, they want to adapt as a effective or proper way. Second one, they want to give judgment as possible soon as fast. This is also one of the important solution. Okay, these like some of the politicians, means political thinkers, they given suggestions. If any one country, in that country facing any problems, these are the major solutions. If on that country, if it's the good administrative system, or is the proper way, fast and effective judicial system, and next one is the already adapted people, social reformation, or they have good route they are maintained, or they adapted good lifestyle, we can solve the problems. What are the problems in that particular country facing, we can solve the problems. So these like political thinkers, they given suggestions. In this way we can solve the problems in particular country. So generally now we understood, if one country is there effectively, that country is working, we cannot see any problems. So in that based, we can see in our country also face so much of problems because of we not have good administrative system. There are some of the people, they came social reformers, but we are not adapted. What they thought, we are not adapted. And we can see our judicial system also is not that much of fast and effectively. So in that based, India also after independence, we faced so much of problems. So in this class, we are discussing these are the problems. What are the problems we had discussed after independence, or when we started our own government. Afterwards, still we already knowing we got independence already over 74 years already over. Still we are facing some of the problems because of we not have already said no, the 3 points, that is major reasons. So in that based, in this class we are discussing what are the problems we are facing in our society or in our country. One is unemployment, corruption, women's status. Next one, people's they illiterate, they are not getting proper education, and corporate strategy, terrorism. We are facing these are the problems. In this class, we are discussing one by one what are the problems we are facing in India and reasons for that particular problems and how we can solve the problems. These are the matters we are discussing in this class. Okay. Next class we can see one by one what are the problems we are discussing in our India. Okay. Thank you. Bye.